Okay, so we're at Marist College on our annual family vacation. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Am I doing this right?
Son, I think I'm having some vacation. Okay, it's a little chilly.
Mom?
We don't talk about mom, honey. That's oh my goodness. That is such a nice car. Look at that.
We get you.
Look at that car.
Is mom in that car?
She's better.
It's got a little jacket. It's got a little jacket on.
Why don't we talk about her?
Oh my god.
We could just be like a soccer leaf.
That's such a beautiful leaf.
Zooming in on it.
So I enjoy more walks on the leaf. Hashtag Marist.
Better.
Dad, how do you zoom out?
Don't call me Dad. Little shot of this. Whoa.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Find a tree. Find a hashtag Marist. Hashtag.